We did the Excalibur Games as a way to just bring students together, have some friendly competition. So we did 4 days of lunchtime events. We did anything from push-up contests to paper airplanes and try archery. And it's just been fun to see how each team has prevailed or fallen back depending on what event they were working on.
We had the human pyramid, cup stacking, different games like that. And we completed throughout the week to get points on our teams. And then we had a big finale at the end of the week where we brought some Army and Marines to come help us do different events on the field, like a live fire simulation game and a field goal. And so we did those on the last day.
A lot of the kids, they just think that we're going to yell at kids, and we're actually here to mentor and train and give them good feedback. And so we had a drill that was kind of like a HIIT training. So you drop, you run, you sprint. We had a crawl phase where we were crawling on the ground. We also had a kettlebell run, a sprint drag carry kind of thing. So it gives them that understanding of this is what the Army is kind of like every morning.
I think the biggest takeaway is that you can't be just super athletic and you can't just be super smart. You have to be good at a little bit of everything. This year, I think we had 24 teams. So here at Northridge, the last year, our goal has just been school unity and coming together as a school and trying to unite the school.
We love our connection to our military students, to our military community, and we really wanted to invite them here so that they can be a part of this and to have them run through the course. We really want to build that love with our military community. And the best part about this Excalibur game is that it brought our community together so that we can showcase who we are here and the glory of being a knight and winning the Excalibur Games and playing in the Excalibur Games.